This is a recorded session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, and that's why I put timestamps or clickable link inside the description. You could click on them and jump directly to the part that interests you. If you want to know more about when I'm streaming and when I'm live, go visit twitch.tv/fbutcheros. But for now, let's watch this session. Hello Cloudies, welcome to the stream. If you are watching that on YouTube, well, you missed all the pre-stream. So when you join, sorry, that was loud. when you join the pre-stream on Twitch, then you can ask a bunch of questions and have some chat. So it's always cool. And the plan of today is to continue to work on our tiny Blazor Admin project. So it's a Blazor website, so it's a client-side but in C# project to manage all the short URL. Because right now we have a project called AZURL Shortener that short any URL, and we created a website to manage all of those. But the website is a little bit heavy, so the resources are a little bit more expensive, and since the main idea of this project was to be as much as we can budget friendly, that's why I want to move and go on client side, so it will be very, very, very cost efficient. So the plan of today is to continue to work on that. On the last stream we'll show where we were, but we created like an empty website with a logon using the Azure Active Directory, so AAD. So that was pretty cool. But now, since we want to have some keys and value to communicate with our backend, and we still want to be secure, we'll be adding a Key Vault. So we'll talk a little bit about why Key Vault is cool and how we can use that, and we'll be working on that. So at any time, if you have questions, ask in the chat, or if you're watching it in the archive, leave a comment. I read the comment every day and answer them. Oh, without further ado, let's get started. So let's go and share screen. Voila. I should. That's a strange music, like ding, 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 ding. Okay, so let's zoom that a little bit. Boom, boom. So that's the notes of today. Just want to save it before I forget. Save. Oh, I knew what? Another thing I forgot. I need to fix that. That's the next thing we do. I put dash because otherwise GitHub does it and it's confusing. So since I do it also, it's the same now. Cool. So we can close this. It's stream 103. And it's the stream 103 today. Yay! Cool. Oh yeah, okay. So what I want to fix is going to how it's called again? Config.js. Nope. Let me check my notes. I want to change the parachute, the drop game. I talked to Instafluff and he explained to me how to fix that. Ah, where is it? Where is it? Okay, pixel parachute. Let's check the properties. Maybe it will help me. Pixel plus. So the game I'm using for when we stream is this. So it's come from Pixel Plush and it's done by Maya and Instafluff. And I'm using the one I like a lot is this one. So night, that's good. So now I want to use the enable chat announcement. That's what I want to do. So now I need to go here, change this. And now if we try, of course we need to it's not working. Oh, enable chat permission. Let's try again. So the property that was missing was the enable chat announcement. Oh, will I land? That's cool. We'll see if it works. And yay! It's working! We see it in the chat. Yeah, cool. Surely that. Oh, that's a cool where did you get that emote? You all have it. Is it a new emote for the Pride week? Do I have that? How come you have all that emote and I don't? It's not fair. See, now it's super easy. I just need to paste that. So cool. So cheer, drop parachute. So what I will do is I will just put that like this, and then at the end I will transform to use the, although I could just I could write that, but anyway, that's good. Yeah, beat you. It's good. That's the game. That's fine. And also, so Instafluff, this super mastermind helped me, so I will be able to have command in the chat to release points. It's been like 20 years since I did some UI or JavaScript really, so I didn't know how to make cloud thing, but now I can interact with the chat and the release point. So soon we'll have more feature on that. And when I have like an understanding on how to do things, I want to do it on the stream also. Maybe not this Friday. I know I said that we'll be starting this Friday, but I cannot be all googling the full stream. I need to know a little bit about what should I do. So yeah. So that's good. That's the one I want. We'll put it that. So the plan of today, the goal of today, what are my goals? Timestamp goals is to add. Oh, we need to add them in our projects. I was about to do something. Was I? Just want to make sure I have my... Yeah, okay. I'm all sweaty. I don't know why. I changed my setup also. The camera is a little bit lower, it's between my screen now. So even if when I'm reading the chat or when I'm reading the code, although maybe I need to switch back the camera, but because now it looks like I'm looking outside the... this is bad though. Let me fix that right away. Filter. Transform. Flip horizontal. What? What? Can you read? Or it's up like, or it's too tiny for me. I think you cannot read, right? Mirror, eh? Well, it is what it is. It's just this way that when I'm looking at the chat, it's less. I will need to fix that. I don't like that. Maybe I need to move myself in the other corner. But at least when I look at the code, look like I'm looking in the middle of the screen. Cool, so Groversaurus. You still need to tell me, guys, if you do score, because I could miss it. That would be cool. Well, in the front, in the back, it should be like the correct, but it could be full. It could be cool to. Who got the high score? 35. Okay. I need to lock this so I don't screw up again. Excellent. Okay. So now we have that. That's the tiny Blazor. We still don't have any arts. I'm not sure. Like, I didn't check if we had any activity there. Nope. Cool. Oh, we're just getting started. Nobody know about that project yet. So what we want to do is, we didn't have even have a task for the. What's that? Can I remove this message? I want to help you, but how can I do that? Clear chat. Did it clear the chat also on your side when I did the clear chat, or it's only on my side? Oh! Ignore that? Yeah, but just in case it was some sensitive information. Okay, guys. Okay. So Shirley Dev. Clear also on our side. Okay, cool, excellent. So that's nice. Thank you, guys. High score! The next step is enter that in a queue and play a notification only when, or keep the check. Like I should do that, like having something to keep all that in memory, and like at the end of the stream say, hey, this is the leaderboard. Anyway, I don't think that game, the code is open source, so. And like that's a thing also, I think, I'm not sure if you follow, but for the cloud stuff, that parachute game, the open source, it's not open source, so I could ask a little things for and stuff, but probably not everything. So I may need to do my own cloud and the game. I don't know. We'll find a way. But still, I need to learn a bit more. Okay, so boards. This is the thing. So what we want to do is we want to add Azure Key Vault. Yep, that's what we want to do. Like the Azure function security code or token, security token, security code / token, maybe some connection string, so storage connection strings, etc. Because I don't know, maybe we'll need more. Yeah. Well, I could put you, you know what, like, you've been there for a while. Let's do that. I could put you, I don't think I have enough moderator. I already have one moderator, and I think that's only have one, but I can definitely promote you as a VIP. Where is it? Where is it? Community, I think. Role manager. Where are you? So let's add new. Should I put you or your bot? So,
yay!
Little clap for Mr. Shirley Dev that was just promoted for VIP. And maybe I should reshuffle a little bit my moderator, since they're not very present these days. Oh, did you beat your high score, Grovesaurus? Yeah. Should just pay the score. What? GT sum? What? What? This is crazy. That's the best score ever. Bastard. Wow, this is really impressive. This is cool. I was looking for my zoom tool. Cool. Okay, etc. Boom, and we'll start this. So it is labels. Come on. It is. We need documentation on that. It's an enhancement, and it's part of the front end, but it's not the front end. I claim it, and I will even assign it to me. There it is. And it's tiny 5. Boom. So in progress. Yeah, right. Nice try, Shirley Dev. Nice try. Grovesaurus? Yeah. Should just pay the score. Thanks for the clip. Thanks for the clip. Super appreciated. Okay, so this is save. I need to do something else than just writing your high score, guys. Oh, let's pause for a second. Let's keep a 5-second silence because Fragbird did a score. Yep. And because it doesn't happen often. This is awesome. So Fragbird, 2 exclamation point. Okay. Let's try to work a little bit. Okay, so add Azure Key Vault. So now we have this. So did I put the no, the goal? I want to go. It's tiny05. Boom. Add Azure Key Vault. A GT sum, I think you're fine. I think you're not at risk for at least today. I think you're fine. Like you should be safe. Okay, so now that's our documentation page here. It's a little bit big. Is it big or it's good and it's just perfect on your side? So we create the service principal. Oh, we didn't even create the well, we created the front end on our side. Okay, so now we need to create the Azure Key Vault. Because the code, they will just use it, right? So we'll modify the code. More to come. Cool. So now it's create an Azure Key Vault. click the plus in the whatever. What is it? Let's go for the text. Create a resource. I have too many windows open. Come on. Are you all follower of Bob Ross, or Bob Ross is a basic emoticon You got so many icons, guys. Oh, Jason Lan again. Jason GT Sam. It's cool. Cool, so now let's do it. Save that, go in the portal, so create here, click the plus, type Key Vault. We should zoom that a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, now I search Key Vault, like I said, Key Vault, excellent. And I create a new one. Hey, what just happened? Subscribe, Wally KC. Welcome to the stream. Oh, subscribe for 2 months. Whoa, this is awesome. Whoa. Thank you, thank you. This is wonderful. Super happy. Like that's a big thing. Thank you a lot. Thank you. The bonjour didn't work though. Thank you, Wally. It's very appreciated. Very cool. Thank
Bonjour.
you.
Hi.
Bonjour. How are you? How was your week? No problemo. Like, it's a big problemo. I want those things to work. Okay, resource group. Did we create a special resource group? I think I didn't delete. Stream demo. Same old, yeah. This week I'm flooded with stuff. I don't know if it's like, I don't feel like I procrastinate that much last week. I know it was slower than usual because last week was last week. But okay, so we are tiny backend, cool. So like stream demo is the demo. But this week I have so much stuff, and I'm lucky because my show on Learn TV start only next week. Next week I will be on Learn TV on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Yeah, it's a lot of days. But I'm still keeping that stream though, like it's very different content. So Key Vault name, the tiny secrets. Tiny secrets keeper. Oh, I love that name. East US standard should be good enough. Soft delete. Yeah, that's good. Retention, 80 days, fine. No, Azure, no, no. User, yup. Oh, and I should give access to how did we call our stuff again? Let's go on. Let's go. I could do it after though. Over there, an hour and a half. And like I say, it's my show. It's not my show. It's my team show. I will play the host. So, for example, I'm starting with Jason Hen on Monday, and he will be showing us logic app that he did to manage error, like exception and stuff like that. On Tuesday, it's Brian Benz, who will show you tons of tips with CLI and the terminal and stuff like that. On Thursday, I'm with Amy Boyle. She will be talking AI project, a new series starting. And then I finish the week with Laurent Bouillon, another great series starting with like a Xamarin project and stuff like that. So they come to the show and they show some demos. Right now I'm playing the host. We'll probably shuffle those roles in the future, though I'm fine with that since I'm streaming, so I can code and do demos on my stream. But eventually it could be cool to be on like the official stream stuff, but like I'm not in a rush. It will be cool. I think it will be super cool. We start, of course, chit-chatting about their project. I'm very excited about that, so looking forward next week to start doing that. The stream. Oh, there's the gist. Oh, that's new. It shouldn't be redirecting you to on that thing. Let me. There's a gist I did. Let me share that. Well, even then, there are not all there. If you do, or maybe I didn't. No, Streamlab is connected. Oh, look like I need to fix a few things. So Shirley Dev, are those all bots that just take the same emote as you do? you already have better here. Where is it? The other one. Freda the cat. How are you, Freda the cat? That's true. Hey! Oh, Shiro is now following on YouTube or here? I think it's on YouTube. I think it's on YouTube. It's here! Oh, well, let's... Why did I not see the message in the chat then? It's strange. Welcome! Sorry about that. Because usually I have the message in the chat saying like that you just follow. And when I don't see anything, then I know it's on the YouTube channel. I keep that because I need to find a way to really kind of context switch my like. Right now I'm using Streamlabs OBS. I'm planning to reformat my full PC and probably switch to OBS Clean. So I'm not even sure if it's possible, but sometimes I stream on YouTube and sometimes I stream on Twitch. And just like when I stream on YouTube, at least right now, it's in French. So that's why like I keep it. But like the message are confusing, so I need to fine-tune the messages because, you know, like then it's like, yeah, a new follower or something like that, and like it's not, you know, subscriber is not the same on YouTube than is it on Twitch. So no French, please. Well, on YouTube it's in French. Here it's in English. I have two YouTube, yeah, I have 2 YouTube channels. So one that is long time, it's 3 years now, and another one I will be sharing my first video today, I think. So I have 0 subscribers. Nobody know about that YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, I want to check the app registration. How did we call it? Blazor something something. Can I find Blazor something? Nope. Yeah, this. I want to add you, and I want it so you could get. That's it. List. I think get. Let's do get and list. I think get is enough. Secret permission. Get list. Okay, so let's do a screenshot of this. ShirleyBot, was it your best score? Nope. Nope. Okay, so that's our ad policies. So the goal to add also, I'm not sure if you all are familiar about what's Key Vault and what it does. So the Key Vault is a place in Azure where you can put your certificate, your secrets, and a bunch of other stuff, and you apply rules and roles on top of that to give permission. And the roles are based on Active Directory, so RBAC. This is hard to say, RBAC. So it's very, very secure, and this way you could save your secret, give the permission to read it, so the code or even the user will be able to take it and use it without seeing the value. So your secret stays secret. So even if I put my password over there, like nobody will be able to read it. They will just say, okay, use let's say, for example, when I create the user, you know, before enter code in the Azure URL shortener, I put in app settings like this the password. So the first time the application loads, I kind of populate a user password setting, but then the password is in clear text. So if I would have used Key Vault, then you could say, oh, like create the user password, use those in Azure Key Vault. They will use and nobody see the secret, so way more secure, and it's all centralized, and you could use your certificate also over there. So really cool. So right now what I did is I give access to my application to read the Key Vault. Of course, we are all doing that manually right now, but once we have something that works, we'll make it automatic. So you click once, everything will be created, and it will be fine. But for now, we need to do it manually. Boing boing. Cool. Oh, Shirley Dev? No, still. Freda though will look better. 6411. Yeah, with Shirley Dev you had better. Here you have 90. I can put 83 if you prefer. You want to go and you go lower? I have no problem with that. If you ask for it, you have it. Let's do a screenshot of this window also. Oh, my back is hurting. I don't know why. Yeah, now the challenge for GTSum is to do the lowest score possible. Like, you know, 0.05. So it's complementary. In the all you have 100, but like in 2 different scores. Yeah. Should I click here and say, hey, click the add policy? Yeah, we'll do that. Create Key Vault. Voila. So we have that. And now my wife is coming back. The dog is turning crazy. We're fine. I usually do tags, but we don't need that. Review and create. I'm curious, guys. Oh, maybe I should. You know what? Let's do that. I want to do some poll. I want to know more about you. How do I do poll? I want to know more about you. Manage poll. New poll. Here, put I put a poll on the top. I'm curious if you are a developer, what language are you coding the most? I'm assuming like a lot of you will know different languages, and if you don't find your option over there, maybe you're a DevOps, and so like you do CLI, Bash, PowerShell. Write it in the chat. I'm curious to know, what are you doing, guys? Oh, just one sec. I heard the door of the basement, but it was the dog. See, you had these screen overlay game and forget about the technical content. Start playing. Oh, that's interesting. So your runbook, HYF, you're doing them in PowerShell or Bash? And your Azure function, which language? Well, you can, but you need to use points, I think. Or like drop what you do in the chat. Like I was just trying to use the to leverage that poll feature, because you know I don't do often polls. So that music is PowerShell. Okay, cool. Yeah. So write it down in the chat. So I'm curious, just to like, in my mind is, should I go and do a session with PowerShell? That could be cool. One that was awesome in PowerShell was Potato Quality, but I didn't see her stream for a while now. I don't know if you know her, HY, but she was awesome. She was really good. Okay, apparently they didn't like our Key Vault stuff. That's fine, we'll do it in twice. .NET, JavaScript, TypeScript, runbooks, PowerShell is nice as a module can be. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. Key Vault. Key Vault. Create. This, and I want a Key Vault. Let's go. Key Vault must contain alphanumeric character and dash can start with a number. Okay. Let's do this just like that. Validation pass. Let's create. Oh, strange, like we got some hiccup previously. Maybe like the assignation at the beginning it didn't like. That's fine, that's fine. So while it's creating, let's go in the doc and just have this create this one. Once it's created, we need to add so let's quickly open it to add a policy and let the app registration get have access to secret. That's also a nice one. So you missed the explanation. I just explained it like 2 minutes ago. Sure you did, but that's fine. I'll do it again. So an Azure Key Vault, it's a place in Azure to keep all our secrets and certificate and stuff like that. So it's secure by Azure Active Directory. So it's RBAC. So you could have a lot of permissions and roles. So you could say, oh, I give read access to all developers, and I have like create access to all my project manager, and then only like a director can delete a thing. And for the certificate, that's only the infra or DevOps people, like depending on the role you have in your environment. So you could set a lot of permission and be very, very granular. And the beauty of that is you could use those secrets without ever seeing the value. So for example, you know, when I create in Azure the Azure AZ shortener URL, AZ URL shortener, wow. Whew, let's rewind. In the AZ URL shortener, when I was creating I had some seed data to create the first user. So I was using a user and a password. So I put that in app settings. I should have deleted those values after, but I never did it. If I would have instead used the Key Vault, then like we don't care, it's there, and that's fine. Like nobody can read it, and you just say use this value. So my goal here is to the security token that is called code, but it's a security token. When we want to call the Azure function, we'll have that there. Eventually, what would be better is to pass the token of the user. So if, for example, you're not allowed to create new URL as a user, you know, we'll limit what can be done in the function. But for now, I want to reuse the same backend, and the function don't manage security, are not connected to Azure directory. So for now, I will just pass the token as kind of the security. The AZ URL shortener, was it a joke? Oh yeah, it's a joke, okay. Don't forget, guys, I see like Grovosaurus, you land, but I think you had a better score, so I won't go. But if ever you do a better score, let me know in the chat. Yeah, you did a lot of work, tons of work, just like CLI, right? I don't know, man, you might have some, you know, memory issue. I don't know. It's possible. It could happen. Yeah, CLI I think is your biggest success yet. Okay. So I want to create, let's open it and add a policy to add the registration, blah, blah. So now let's try to do that. So we are here. We want to access policy. Now we'll add policy. So we'll do a screenshot of that. You know what? I will do that, the screenshot after. So I want to, from template. Oh, that's interesting. Cool. Service principal, it was the Blazor stuff. Oh, it smells so good. My wife is doing coffee. It smells awesome. So we got 2 votes in our poll. So apparently my poll are not very successful, but we are 2.net. So thanks for participating, Cloudies. That's awesome. I love you so much. Okay, so we have that authorized, blah blah blah. And I think we're good, so let's try to add that. Apparently it works, so let's save that. So I don't know why before it didn't work. That's strange. It's popcorn time. Okay, so let's extend like this and do the screen sharing. Let's move out my mouse to screen sharing and capture that. And let's put some steps. So first you click here, and after that you click here. You add the stuff, and don't forget to save. And we'll blur my name since it's not very useful. I should blur that part too, right? Ooh, what are you waiting for, Mr. Shirley Down? Much more fun. Cookie Monster. An external USB DVD drive. Oh, interesting. What do you use DVD for these days? Backups? Or to read some music? Like you wanna like digital number? Like it is already digital, right? But whatever. How do we call that? Like the. Oh man. Old game in DVDs. Wow. Yeah. When I bought this tower, I asked for a DVD player, and the guy was like, "Why?" I said, "Why? Because I have pictures and I want to be able to read them." But I've like now I just changed the video card, so I needed to change the power supply. But in order to make like something else working, I unplug it, and I think for 2 years I was running and the CD was not working because I removed the power and used it for another device. Now everything is on because I have like a huge power supply in. But yeah. Yeah, One step away. That's awesome. Okay, yeah, I was like, what am I doing? I'm doing this. Add policy was this, and so the edit key vault. Control S. I'm sure they like it if you are in your Cookie Monster boxers. See you soon. Cool, so now we have access. So let's add a little bit of stuff in our doc. So our doc, that's the one. Boom. And I need to go in the media. So I want the edit and I want the add policy. Policy and edit key vault. What's the good vocabulary? It was the permission. Give secret permission. Created previously. Don't forget. Don't forget to save. Don't forget to save. Cool. So now we have it. And voila. Now we should add the secret, right? first we need to retrieve that function. We did told them to deploy, right? Yeah. So they deploy, so they have the function just like we do here. So now they need to get the code. So for that, they need to go in the Azure function and go in apps key. And I'm assuming it's here. Master default, nope. I'm assuming it's that. Oh, or I could just do the user assign. But then I will need to change my function. Would I? I think that would be better. Are we back, Shirley Dev? Well. Okay, so I want to reuse code. I'm balancing between like going for. Let's use the code for now because my two front end will use the same back end and I don't want to change anything yet. We'll need to prepare like a good jump, so we won't use that. We'll go with the app keys. So we'll need to have that in my clipboard at some point, but now we need to go in secret. So click secret, say generate import. Yeah, it's secret, right? Or key? Key? Oh, it's secret. I won't. Generate import. Yeah, okay. So manual, the name will be the yeah. The value, I will need to put that. Content type. And it will be enabled. Okay, cool. So I need to go here. If I click, this is what? This is a bad design. I want. Oh, and I will need another one. Yeah, let's keep that. I will need another one for the function URL. Yeah, okay. So function code, that's our value. Why it's not working? Do I need to type? Come on, tell me I don't need to type. Okay, phew. Yep, that's good. I don't need to do a screenshot of that, just like create a secret. Cool, and let's do another one. And this one is the azFunction URL. And the value of that is the URL. So it's that part. I missed the HTTP though. HTTPS Oh, yeah. Okay. It's HTTP, not HTTPS. Strange. Yeah. Boom. And create. Excellent. Oh, that's a good one. Grovesaurus 94. Freda, nope. Would be awesome, huh, if I land like perfect 100%, but doesn't look like it. Okay, so now we have our two secrets. You could have fun. So, so we need to create two secrets. I don't know why I put capital letters here. Wow. Maybe I should do a screenshot of this. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go a little bit smaller. And then you do what you had to do. Do the click and the click and the boom, bada bing, bada boom. Multipass. That was cool. Multipass. Voila! And now it's time to have some fun with the code, I think. So we could just update this. Oh, we didn't create any branch. We are still in master. Yeah. Yeah. So you're all copying Shirley Dev. It's the trend. It's the trend to copy the... Oh, that... no. It was looking good at the beginning, but then... no. New high score for the bot. I'm not sure why I keep track of your high score for your bot, sir. But I will do. I will do. Okay, so that's our doc. We're done with that. So now let's go back into code. So I was thinking we could have a library and use that library. But just to test, let's do it in the code for now, just to see if it's working. So we'll create a new page. We'll call it URL manager .razor. And we should get our inspiration from the AZURL shortener. So here we have a page and it's called this. Let's copy paste a few things. Boom. Nope. Okay, no problem. So I think we'll be doing something way smarter, but just now we just want to see if it loads, right? Oh, that was quick. Or maybe I took like 20 seconds. Yeah, I took a lot of time to see your message. Oh, you know what? Let's do the full thing. And the only thing I will remove is the admin role. I think I just need authorize. And of course we'll need a service. So that was done in the data, I think. We created a bunch of class in data. Oops. I think I should go in the folder instead. It will be easier. And go here and go open the folder. Okay, so we definitely need to change the namespace. So the namespace in our pages, do we have one? We don't, huh? So it will be tiny. Okay, so we have all that saved. So now I just want to kind of, I rush my way through. Just want to see, save. Okay, so the thing I want to do here is the short URL list. That's the only one that, lowest score! Whoa. You know what, Shirley Dev? It is impressing. But that can only be one. So for that score, you will need to to fight each other. I'm not keeping track of all the lowest score. Like that was like really on the edge, right? Okay. So get the function URL. So get the function. Now we need to read from the things that we just created, the key vault. So now we need access to the key vault. So we'll need two new project. We'll need to have this thing here. So we'll do a .NET add package. Am I in the good folder? Yes. Add package. And I will be adding here, let me zoom. I'm adding the, was it Shirley Dev who told me like, stop doing free drawing? I'm still doing it. So I'm adding this so we can have the authentication. So I'll add this. And I'm also want to add another package. Here. There's a lot of noise. Huh? Let me try something here. Oops. There it is. And boom. And we had the package here for the key vault. There's a space there. Oh yeah, it's a straight line. And then it's long, I need to do that. It's better doing this. See, now I can do that too. Okay. So now we have our reference. If we go check in the project, now we should have our new key vault, and the other one didn't work. Not found. Oh, did I do the typo? Maybe because of the lowercase a. Yeah. No, I'm curious now. Let's open a new folder. So that's my new version, and that's what I had kind of in my notes. Oh. Yeah, authentication. Authentification. Yep. typos. Cool. Delete. Delete. Excellent. So now we have the authentication. Cool. I can do that. Okay, so now we do this, and now what we want is instead of get configuration for the code, get the function URL. What we want instead is get secret. Yeah, get configuration will change it for a get secret function kind of thing, I think, right? So we should do a private async string, task string, task, then string, like that. We'll call that get secret. And we'll pass a value. So value will be secret name, boom. Well, I'm not sure, Dev. Is it because like I did I can do that too? Or is it about you telling me how to draw stuff? Is it me or you who is bragging? Oh man. Oh yeah, it was fun doing the Azure Friday. That was cool. And it was super fast. We did the recording in a few minutes. Like, I think we had to do like 3 cuts, and because I was having internet speed issues, I was dropping, the connection was dropping. Otherwise, it was kind of a one take. Okay, so get secret. So I had some snippet here. So what we want to do is something like this. So want a service token, Azure service token provider, and like you don't know that thing. But my problem right now is, okay, why are you not? Assuming I will need to do some. I thought the antithesis was grabbing those. And I was Azure. Service, app authentication, and same thing. Key Vault. Whoop. Whoop. Key Vault. Still don't know that. I did a typo again. Oh. Oh yeah. That was my mistake. Typo again. Cool. Of course you mean me. Okay, so here we create the service token provider, an instance of it, and now we'll get our key vault. So the key vault, we get that, and then we want to get our secret. Oh, so I still need to get the key vault URL. So I need to put that in settings. What's happening? Subscribe. Oh, see, that's on YouTube. Because subscription on Twitch, that would be just crazy. Well, that's on Twitch. That's on YouTube, I mean. Okay, so now I need the key vault URL base. So I still need to do the get configuration thing. I didn't like that part where I specified the development, though I really like it because in dev we could just use different settings. Should I keep it? Should I not keep it? That's the question. What should we do? Let's keep it for now. We'll refactor. Well, yeah, that will be cool. Like we could do a session, a stream where like we clean our code, make it better. Oh, that's kind of low, Grobosaurus. But still, Shirley Dev is the... Shirley Dev is a bigger loser. I didn't say it. Exactly, you're the biggest loser. Like, you know, I'm proud of it. But it's even better than me. Like I land in the void. Oh man. Okay. So I want that. So I need some kind of settings. So let's do that. So let's go in the folder. So that's my URL shortener. If I go here, I should have settings, so app settings. Let's copy both files there. We'll be able to clean that up. So here we'll need the Key Vault URL is kind of the only setting we'll need, I think. Even this, we don't need that for now. And Key Vault is overview. Something like that. Something like this, right? So with that, whoops. So save that file, close this one. So here we need no, it was, oh yeah, get configuration and then bracket bracket. So I don't even need that, I could just do this instead, right? Boom. Just need to use the double quote instead. And the secret name is the secret name. So it was azURL function, was it those secret we created? Secrets. It was common. It was azFunction URL, and then same thing for code. Await here. So we still need the azURL here. Yeah, so var, no, string, like we know it's a string. String, let's do var. Var, az. Oh, can I just do await here? Yeah, I could. That's even better. So this, we go get our secret, add this, blah blah blah. Add this. Add environment variable. Not sure what's that thing for. How does that build? Okay, let's work on that. So, so all that, it's working. Oh, here, yeah. The new domain name is this. Authorize is not there too. Or it's just authorize. Let's keep it this way. Short URL entity. It is there. Let's close the page and reopen it. I think I will switch to Visual Studio IDE for the future of this project. We'll be using multiple projects, like I want the library, instead of having like everything in one project, so it will be better. And like it's been a while since I play with also Visual Studio IDE, so it will be cool to have like the more bells and whistles. So still complaining about the authorize, right? Oh yeah, well, I removed the okay, that was the ASP.NET Core authorize attribute. Now what I have? Identity. Oh. I thought it was just like the same. Okay, you know what? Just for now, this project will remove all the authentication. Just for now. Bunch of stuff won't work, like, you know, like we didn't inject the JavaScript for the interrupt, but I want to see if the code access the key vault. That's my goal here, to see if it works, and then we'll structure and plan correctly, probably next stream. But at least if we can read to the key vault, that would be cool. So yeah, so let's try to compile. Oh, you know what? Let's open a terminal. .NET build. Cannot convert a task to string in the Blazor Admin project. What? Oh no, okay. In this file, line 87, 88. Oh yeah, because I kept the task. I need to do like a value or something like that, right? So 84. Yeah, that was my mistake. So here I'm building that, but this was like, it's a task. So I should do something like value.
I was walking through the desert, searching for the truth. Left everything behind me when the game out for you. Walking through the daylight and sleep under the moon. Watch every single side and a mirage the same as the moon.
Result.
You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come
Right.
while I'm away, stay tonight, stay tonight. You're 1,000 miles away, but if you come while I'm away,
You're quiet. You're quiet, Cloudies.
stay tonight, yeah, stay tonight. If you come while I'm
So here,
stay tonight,
result. And again here, result. Let's try again. Yay, okay, so it's running. Let's try to run it, see if it works. You don't know what I'm doing? It could be me. Like I said, I didn't stop my key vault. Probably because, I don't know, that's a good question. There's nothing at that address. Okay. Let's... You're saying here that if I do await, that is a string? Oh, it is a string now. Oh. What? Yeah, good point, Sean. Thank you. I don't know why. In my mind, I was like, yeah, okay, I received a task and I need to do something else. But you're right. Cool. Oh, and last thing here is URLs, but I probably should use instead the URL manager. And maybe we should already add that in our menu, right? So it's probably in shared and nav menu. And it will be Yips.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Mortal Box. Hello. Yeah, it's probably me because I'm running my VPN. I'm sorry. So let me re-explain what I did then. Is I just right now I'm just want to see if the code is able to read the get secrets from the key vault that we create. So I kind of copy paste some code from the other project, AZURL shortener. In the next stream, what I'm thinking I want to do is have a library that both those projects will share. And so I will be moving out and probably have a better structure than now. But now I just copy paste a bunch of stuff to make it work and hack through my way. And I was a little bit stupid. Not stupid, but you know, I was lunatic and I didn't use the good away version. So now let's try to see if it's running better. Apparently I didn't put my what? I didn't save it? What is happening here? Did I not save? Oh, because it's 3. So let's remove that one. You think you have a function with your name, sir? Sorry, there's nothing to that address. Okay, and if I log in, sorry, there's nothing to that address. Okay. Oh, is he using the, let's put some breakpoint. Maybe it's using the bad settings. So it's using the one with the, put your name there. Let's put the breakpoint here. Or will I be able to debug it? No, huh? I need to do something. I forgot what I need to do when I want to debug. So it's using app setting deployment. Like it should be using this one. Let's put the good version in both of them, just in case. And now I want to debug, and I want to launch and debug standalone. Yeah. No. Shift Alt D. I thought it was more transparent than that, the experience. I thought they fixed those things. I feel like I'm not even hitting the good URL. Yeah, URL. Oh, my manager. Yeah, but if I put that thing in the menu, I put manager. Typos! Typos! Oh, now we have an error. That's cool. Okay, well, at least now we're having an error. That's more like it. I was expecting some trouble, not like just like, yep, nope. Whoops. Okay, and with that, I just saw the time. We'll put here so you can see your iScore just over there, and we'll run the credits because I just realized I need to go. So again, thank you a lot to spend your time with me on this Wednesday. Super happy. Big thanks. And we'll see who's streaming. And let's see. Go do a raid. Who's streaming? Who's streaming? Who should we go see? That was a lot of it. So big in butt. Maybe. I think I never. You know what? I have no clue what he's doing. So let's do that. Where am I? Let's raid Mr. Big in Butt. Boom. It's cool. So send him some love. And I will see you Friday. Bye-bye. Oh, no, I need to wait now. 8, 6, 7, 8, 6. We're going soon. Bye.